Sometimes we just need a simple cake. Welcome to Sweetwater Cakes. I'm Michelle, and today we're going to make this Christmas tree cake that has a very simple designer. In Christmas tree lingo, simple trimming of the tree. Click that subscribe button down below if you haven't already, and let's get started and sweeten the world. This cake was definitely enjoyed at my Christmas party. So you go enjoy your Christmas cakes, and have a beautiful day. Go sweeten the world. Bye-bye.